We'll go check the measuring stick and see how much snow we have. I think it's close to 20 inches right now. Let's go around to the side. Oh God, this is over my knees. Let's see, here we go. We're at about 20 inches, 20 and a half inches right now. It's been snowing since last night around 8 o'clock. Let's go over to the pool and see what the deck looks like. Here we are. We could go ice skating out there. Beautiful. That's where part of the deck fell off from the last storm, and that's the snow on the picnic table. Pretty, huh? Let's go out front and see what it looks like. Here we are out front. Isn't this beautiful? Looking on top of the mailbox. Trailer. It's not sticking on the roofs too good right now because of the wind. Look at that. Before the night's over, the deck, the vent should be covered up. Let's look at the cars. And going by. Gotta look at my car. Everything's so pure. And there's the van. Everywhere you look, snow's falling. Up the road. Wish Pat was here, but he's not, so I can't tape his truck. It's the front of our house. We're at a little, almost close to 2 feet of snow right now.
This is a little bit later from when Trudy shot. As you can see, it's up to our fence. There's a car over there. My Volkswagen. It's our chair. It's our hot tub. Here we are a day after that me and Trudy shot. And here me and Dad are building this snow fort around the house. It's my Volkswagen. There's Trudy's car if you could see it. And here I come walking out here. Dad's making steps.
Like one of the old stompers during the Pharaoh's days.
It's been snowing for 2 days straight here. There's a van. That guy's stuck on the corner. And this is a car. our fence. It's our trailer. There's Mr. Buffness himself. Go! Go! Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hey, Jen.
Try not to run into me anymore. There's our snow fort, if you can see it or not. Whoa. Look how close it is to our windows. There's Dad demanding us to work, and he's fooling around. Can't believe it. There's Jess again. As you can see, it's snowing, and it's quite pretty out here. Right now we have about 27 inches, and it's supposed to keep up. So we may have more. Pat's truck, and that's Trudy's boyfriend. This is our road, if you cannot tell.
What?
And the cars and the plow hasn't been by to plow it since late last night. And there's about 4 to 6 inches of pack on the ground. There's Jim Bro. Oh! Showing off. Let's go over here. Look at this snowbank. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Ow. Ow. Did that on purpose. Meant to do that. And I'm going to leave off for now. I guess I'll talk to you. Show you some more pictures later. There's my bug.
The hell is this?
Outside our door. That's our fence if you cannot tell, but
Get bent.
again I say, this is the day after from the last time I shot all the snow, and it's coming down pretty heavy again. There's the house that burned up in the fire up here. The dog. That kind of gives you an example of how much snow we have out here. There's our old Pinto out back. And I'm going to take a picture of the pool in a minute. Here I am, I'm out back and just getting some pictures from around the pool. Here's our pool. And let me try to stand up in here and show everybody how deep it is. Hold on, it'll take a minute. Sorry if you couldn't see anything. I was holding that up by my free hand. But it's kind of pretty, I think. There, I think you can see it now. And around the edge. There's our shed. Dad wiped that roof off last night, and now it's all built back up with about 6 more inches on top. There's that roof. There's the back shot of our house.